This is a really quick video about how I saw a Facebook ad tonight that says it's from someone named Lenny Imelda, and they have just a few hundred followers. It's a really suspect page to be pushing an ad like this. It's for a rolling grilling basket rather. Never grill on a nasty, dirty grill grate again. Keeps your food from falling between the grates or sticking to the grill. Shop now. And it has a link to ghomegarden.com/product/grill basket. And I went to this website and it doesn't really have a logo for the website. It just says True Trendy at the top, which is strange. Last day promotion, 49% off barbecue grill basket. And this all looks to me like scams I've seen before, where you might receive something in the mail if you order, but you're not going to get exactly what you're thinking you're going to get. And that looks like that's what's happening here. I looked on the website. I looked up the information for when the website was registered. Apparently it was last registered on May 1, 2023. So less than 2 months before I'm making this video here on the night of June 22nd. And so this is going around about a rolling grilling basket, something that is part of a 2023 summer hot sale. It has 21,000 likes, 3,200 comments, and 5,600 shares. And I looked at the comments and noticed that the people who are running this are hiding every comment unless it's a comment that the page creators, made themselves. And the page is being run from India and Philippines based upon what I'm seeing when you look up the page managers under the page transparency information. So this is not something I would spend my money on, and I really don't think you should either. There are products out there maybe like these on more reputable stores that you've heard of, and this ghomegarden.com website, I'm unsure about it. I'm not going to outright say it's a scam, but it doesn't look good. It doesn't look like something that I would spend my money on. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Hit the like button down below, the thumbs up button. That will tell Google and YouTube my video has value. Then other people might be able to find my video before they go and make a purchase, which would be great. There's also a thanks button off to the right of the thumbs up button. A thanks button off to the right of the thumbs up button that sometimes looks like a heart-shaped symbol with a dollar sign. If you want to tap that, that would be great. Subscribe if you want to my channel. I think that's just about it. It's kind of a short video, informative. Just wanted to tell people what I found and include a screenshot instead of like a full screen recording. And that's just about it. Thank you so much for watching.